Welcome to my YouTube and Facebook channel. In this video, we will discuss about scientists from the University of Connecticut, in collaboration with researchers from Columbia University and Brookhaven National Laboratory, have achieved a significant breakthrough in materials science. They have developed a new material with extraordinary strength and lightness by utilizing a combination of DNA and glass. The researchers created a nanolattice structure by assembling pieces of DNA of specific lengths and chemistry, which self-assembled into a skeleton-like framework. This DNA skeleton was then coated with an extremely thin layer of glass, creating a unique material with a large portion of its volume composed of empty space, similar to the rooms in a building. Despite its surprising use of glass, the material's design ensures exceptional strength. A flawless cubic centimeter of glass, as used in this structure, can withstand an impressive 10 tons of pressure. By combining this reinforced glass nanolattice with the DNA skeleton, the researchers achieved a material that is both 4 times stronger and 5 times lighter than steel. This extraordinary combination of properties is unprecedented in the world of materials. The potential applications of this new material are vast. It could revolutionize industries like vehicle manufacturing, as making electric vehicles lighter, while maintaining safety and durability is crucial for extending their range. This lightweight, high-strength material could also lead to advancements in body armor, medical devices, and even energy-saving technologies. Although this research presents an exciting breakthrough, the scientists acknowledge that there is still much work to be done before the material can be widely employed in practical applications. The team is already working on further improvements, such as substituting even stronger carbide ceramics for glass in the DNA structure. One of the researchers, Oleg Gang, emphasizes the tremendous possibilities that this DNA glass nanolattice concept offers for engineering mechanical properties. By manipulating different DNA structures and materials, they hope to discover even stronger variants of this innovative material. Ultimately, this breakthrough represents a significant step forward in materials science. The researchers believe that this DNA glass nanolattice technology could open up new avenues for creating lighter and stronger materials, previously only imaginable in movies like Iron Man. The potential to develop improved armor and other advanced technologies using this new material is truly promising. The research findings were published in the journal Cell Reports Physical Science on June 27, 2023. Thanks for watching. If you like video, please subscribe, give feedback and comments, and share with others. Keep watching my videos.